Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that like button and subscribe because today we're diving into a super important topic for React beginners. Why states in React must be immutable. Trust me, understanding this concept will save you from a lot of headaches when you're building your React apps. So first, let's quickly recap what state is in React. State is like the memory of a component. It's where you store data that can change over time, like the number of likes on a post, a toggle button, or the text in a search bar. Whenever the state changes, React re-renders the component to show the updated UI. Now, here's the big question. What does immutable mean? It just means you don't directly change the original object or array in the state. Instead, you create a new copy of the data with the changes you want, and then update the state with that new copy. Sounds simple, right? But why do we need to do this? Alright, so here's the deal. React uses something called a virtual DOM to make your app super fast. Think of the virtual DOM as a blueprint of your UI that React compares with the actual DOM to see what changed. React uses this comparison to efficiently update only the parts of the UI that need to change. But here's the catch. React can only notice changes in the state if the reference to the object or array changes. If you modify the original object directly, React thinks, oh, nothing has changed because the reference stays the same. And then your app doesn't update properly. Let me show you an example. Imagine we have a state that looks like this. Now, if I do this, React won't re-render the component. Why? Because I modified the original numbers array. React didn't see a new reference, so it doesn't think anything has changed. Instead, here's the right way to do it. Now React sees, hey, the reference to the array has changed, and it updates the UI. Problem solved. Let's put it into a real-life example. Imagine you're working on a group project and you have a shared checklist. If you cross things out directly on the original paper, your teammates might not notice the changes because you didn't tell them. But if you hand them a new piece of paper with the updated checklist, they will immediately know what's new. React is like that teammate. It needs the new piece of paper to notice the changes. So, to sum it up, states in React need to be immutable because React relies on references to detect changes. If you modify the original state directly, React won't know something has changed, and your app might not update as expected. Always create a new copy of your data, make your changes there, and then update the state. It might take a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, it'll become second nature. If you found this helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly React tutorials. See you in the next video. Happy coding!